So the Superman torso raise is a pretty small movement and it's very simple. So for a starting position, we are laying face down on top of a mat with our face pointing down straight into the floor. Our arms are raised above our heads, just like a shoulder press, and our legs are extended back. So the legs are still firm. And to initiate the movement, you might actually press into your toes, but we're lifting our arms with our thumbs facing towards the ceiling. You might need to bend your elbows slightly. And we are lifting our chest off of the ground. And this, we also want to be careful that we're not lifting up our body to the point where there's pain in your lower back. So just the point where you could comfortably go up and feel some activation in your back in general and also in your shoulder. So the torso raise, Superman torso raise, you might actually lift up and hold for an exercise, but in this video, we're showing you repetitions of the torso raise in the Superman.